Hi, today we're going to have a little fun with one of the neatest guns that I've built. It's an AR15 platform in 458 Socom. This is one incredibly large bullet. It's one of the largest that'll fit in the AR15 platform. Built it just for hog hunting. Got the Vortex Hog Hunter scope on it. I'll tell you a little bit more about the gun at the end of the video, but right now we're going to go hunt some hogs. Well, we're not actually going to hunt any hogs because we don't have any here. We got bubbas. You saw them in the last video. Let's go get us some bubba. Okay, I think I see some now. Let's see if I can get closer to them. Yep. Yeah, there's a couple of big bubbas. I think they're mating. Not sure. We'll see if we can get a shot at them. Oh no, scared them away. Ah, rats! Where'd they go? Yep, they're gone. We're gonna have to get smarter than this. We're gonna need to get some bait out. Okay, we're gonna set some bait out. Yeah, that ought to do it. Yum, 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 yum. If that doesn't attract the bubbas, I don't know what will. I know he's out there somewhere. I know. Oh, there he is. There he is. Let's get the shot. All right, I think we got some. Right up there. I'm gonna sneak forward a little bit and take the shot. Well, that's where Bubba was. That is a big old hole in the ground. No more Bubba. But here he is, way over here. Yep, we blew the butt end off of Bubba. No more Bubba. Well, I don't believe in hunting without eating what you kill, so it's time to make lunch out of Bubba. Yuck. Honey, got any hot dogs? Okay, here's the gun. 458 Socom, built on an AR15 platform. We started with Aero Precision upper and lowers, full stainless steel bolt carrier group, CMMG gun builder's kit for the internal. I have an ALG ACT trigger with the purple spring, 4.5 pound beautiful smooth trigger, little bling from Tactical Galaxy. Troy Industries 13-inch handguard, lightweight, beautiful handguard. Over the top of a Wilson Combat 458 Socom heavy duty barrel, stainless steel with a flash hider. Some no-name little bipod I got off eBay, it does the trick. A sling, Magpul stock, pistol grip, and a Vortex Crossfire 2 Hog Hunter scope. It's a 3x12x56. Really nice setup. Can't wait to go out and do some actual hog hunting with it.
Jesus fuck! Go! Son of a...
Holy mackerel. I don't know how well that's coming out, but that thing is huge. Look at that. Wow.